This bridal hair look is so affordable, but no one at the wedding will ever know the difference. Welcome back to Beauteknots. Before we jump in, make sure to like, share, and hit that subscribe button for more amazing hair tutorials. This is a full detailed tutorial, so make sure you stay till the end. We're starting our foundation by weaving the base from the center of her head. A flat, secure weave structure is key to the final bridal style, and I want it to sit completely flat and seamless without any unnecessary bulk. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end. You can follow me on TikTok at Beauteknots and also Instagram. Yes, or you can join one of my online bridal hair classes that are very and super affordable. So making sure that it is flatly woven and giving it the perfect base for this bridal hair tutorial. So please keep watching and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, and comment.
雨声声蕊，像轻声诉说，诉说着无人懂的寂寞。雨幕之中，世界变沉默。Raindrops 淹没我的难过。坐在屋内，听雨声磅礴。心中情绪如波澜起波，不知道这雨。
Now, onto our frontal foundation, I'm using the full suite of the Love Beauty product here. First, I wipe her hair with alcohol to remove any oil residue for a long-lasting hold. I'm reinstalling a previous used Swiss lace frontal, so I'm using my Love Beauty lace glue, and I'm going to be applying this twice for this, and also I am spreading it across. I'm waiting for it to get transparent. Yes, so if it's not transparent, please hold on. Next, I'm going to be using my band to give it that full melt and to make it really stay in place. And I'm going to be securing the ends of the frontal on the hair, yes, to give it that full hold. And next, I'm going to be checking for extra areas that did not get the part of the glue and using my hot comb to secure it. Then I'm going to be using my Sleek and Slay hair mousse from Love Beauty still, and I'm going to be banding it down. Yes, the Sleek and Slay mousse is for molding and it works really well. Next, I'm going to be using my Love Beauty melting spray to give it the perfect melt. And don't forget, this is a Swiss lace frontal and it has been used before, so you can also achieve this with a used frontal. Now for the main transformation, and I'm preparing the hair now, we're going to be using 2 packs of the Lush Hair Dancing Curls across the head. So we're just going to be using a crochet throughout this, so please watch this intricate part. So I use this as it is. I did not cut any part with scissors. I just used it and I crochet it down to the hair. So please watch the pattern and watch how I'm crocheting it round. So if you follow this pattern, you should be able to achieve this while doing your own bridal hairstyle.
Raindrops 淹没我的难过，坐在屋内，听雨声磅礴，心中情绪如波澜起波， 知道这雨何时会停 Raindrops 能否带走失落 Raindrops 你是天空落下的石敲打着心走向回忆的弦
So this is it now, and for that high structured updo, to build this into an elegant bridal look, I'm using my hair padding for structure. And please note, I used big bobby pins to secure this, so please use big bobby pins, and I'm just securing it round like a donut. Next, I'll be taking a portion of the hair just like this, and for that healthy shine, I'm going to be using my sprit oil, and I am going to be using my medium and small bobby pins to secure this after wrapping it around my hands. This is a very simple tutorial and very detailed that you can definitely achieve. So wrap it around your hands and secure with your medium to small size bobby pins. Just take it round like this, then leave some little extra droppings for that beautiful extra look. And this is how it is coming up as. I hope you're enjoying the tutorial. Please don't forget to comment if you learned from this tutorial, like, share, and if you are from TikTok watching this, let me know. I'll definitely give you a follow back on TikTok, yes, to say thank you for watching my video. So this is it now. Look at how it melted really well. And for that extra look, I am using my crochet downwards to give it those extra droppings and to make it more bridal. You can leave yours as it is. It depends on how you want to style yours. Then I'm using my hair fine to give it that full bridal look, and this is the end result. You get all the volume, bounce, and elegance of a high-end luxury unit using affordable lush hair dance and curls. If you love this transformation, please like, share, and subscribe to Beauteknots for more amazing tutorial videos. Thank you once again for watching this tutorial. I'm going to see you beautiful people in my next tutorial video.